trading is thinking, not working. That's a quote of the day. I literally get paid by thinking. What a fucking job. I love it, bro. Alright, just like that, more value added to the free Discord. Let's go. Hey, would you look at that? It's getting closer to Halloween. That's what's up. That's what's up. Oh, it's you, man. Welcome to the video. Welcome to another point of view of a day trader on Saturday. And you may wonder, like, what the hell is a day trader doing on Saturday, on weekends in general? Because if you know, the markets are closed. I cannot trade. Well, obviously, unless you trade crypto, but I don't trade crypto. I used to trade crypto, but I don't trade it anymore. So, what am I doing? Well, you can literally see me currently recording this video, this day in the life point of view vlog of a day trader, making sure that you can become a profitable independent trader. I'm always here to innovate, motivate, and educate so you can become the best version of yourself. But I'm about to get to the gym. I'm always myself, ready to, become a better version of myself so I can actually motivate you to become the best version of yourself. But if you think about it, since I'm a day trader, what is there to do on weekends? Well, depends what category do you belong in. If you are profitable, if you actually are making money in these markets, then you can actually improve in other aspects of your life. You can actually maybe share some knowledge to others, like what I'm doing right now. Or you can just make sure that you can actually check what you did last week, what can you improve on, etc., etc. Now, if you're not profitable, if you're not making money in these markets just yet, then what you can do is make sure that you are backtesting. You can go to the markets, backtest. Then you can actually check the next week's news. You can check a lot of stuff, improve in every single aspect. Go to the gym, do a lot of stuff, read some books. Just improve, okay? Improve. So that's exactly what you can do on weekends. Always be a lifelong student. Always show up, whether you feel like it or not. Whatever you do, whether it's the gym, the markets, just improve. Show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Because think about it, most of the people cannot even do that. That's why you'll be ahead of most of the people if you can actually show up every single day. That's why I'm recording these videos as well. I'm showing up, bringing value. Because if you don't know, who am I? I'm a day trader. I've been profitably day trader for 1.5 years, okay? And I came into this space of trading industry to teach others, to motivate, innovate, and educate, because I realized that most of the people are struggling with trading, just like I was. Because little did you know, I was actually losing for 2 years. Quick fact, I was losing for 2 years straight. Obviously, the thing here is, I would have become profitable way, way faster if I would have learned from the right people. And that is exactly why I came into this industry. Okay, I came into this industry to change something, to change your life, to make you profitable, because trading changed my life. Okay, how did it change my life? Well, freedom. I literally trade for 1.5 hours my day. Think about it. And within those 1.5 hours or 1 hour, sometimes 30 minutes, I can make $800,000 or $1,500 with one trade. That's the beauty of it, okay? Trading is all about patience. Okay, it's all about patience. I started when I was 14. I know, crazy shit. But I learned a lot, had my ups and downs, and now I'm here. Regardless, now it's Saturday, no trading today. I'ma hit the gym, and at the gym, I'll see you. I'm not sure will I record much at the gym because, bro, it is leg day. And leg days are like, they're not my favorite, but I gotta just do it, bro. I'll maybe record like one clip, couple clips. Let's see. Okay, I'll see you at the gym. Oh yeah, by the way, as promised, I just added 5 more videos to the premium course because, I literally yesterday promised to the students in there that I'm about to upload 5 more videos. So here it is. And yeah, if you want to get access to these, then it should be the first link in the description. Yeah, it has the live trading calls, etc. Mentorship. Yeah, but I understand if you want to join for free, it should be the second link. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna hit the gym now. Alright man, it's currently Saturday night. As you can see, I came home from the gym, had a good training session. I'm about to make me some food, some protein, protein. But, my gym is really nearby, next to my house, so I can just walk there. And, I gotta tell you something. While I was coming home from the gym, I was walking, this one thought came in my mind. I remembered this one quote from John D. Rockefeller. This one rich motherfucker, okay? And obviously, way back he said this, but he said like this one quote that he wants a nation full of workers and not a nation full of thinkers. And basically, let's just put it down like this. He wants a nation full of poor people and not wealthy people. Okay? All right. And then I remember this one guy asking me, why did I chose trading? What do I love about trading? Well, what I love about trading is trading allows me to be a thinker, not a worker. When I trade, I'm not working, I'm thinking. Okay, think about it. I'm thinking in the markets. When I used to flip burgers, I was working. I was working for money. Obviously, for those who don't know, I used to be flipping burgers to fund my live account and to buy some prop firm accounts to make some money. And I eventually did that and I quit the job. But then I was working. When I was flipping burgers, I was working. Okay? It was ass. I was working for some boss. Now, when I'm trading, I'm not working. I'm thinking, should I buy today? Should I sell today? Okay, I'm gonna buy today. Boom, bought $1,000. I think I'm gonna sell today. Sold, $800 made. And that's how it goes. Okay, obviously, I don't do it like that. Okay, I think I'm gonna sell today. Boom, like that. No, I mathematically increase the odds to succeed in a trade. That's all you gotta do in trading. You gotta increase the odds. Think, how can you win? And increase the odds by all means. How can you increase the odds in trading? Well, risk management. Make sure to increase the odds by having good risk management. Everything that you need, okay? Should you risk more in this trade? Should you risk less in this trade? Blah, 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 blah. Should you skip this day? Increase the odds to succeed, okay? And look trading with a long-term vision. Individual trades, they compound. But increase the odds overall. In every single aspect, you need to increase the odds. Most people do not talk about this. All I see these motherfucking gurus who just tell me, oh, I just predict the markets. I predict the markets. No, I mathematically increase the odds to succeed. That's what you gotta do. You can increase the odds. I mean, yeah, sure, I could lose one trade, but guess what? The odds are with me. I have the odds. I know on the long run I'm gonna succeed. Make sure that you only take a trade when the pressure is high to buy or sell. And then you make the thinking, and then you're gonna act on it, okay? Trading is thinking, not working. That's a quote of the day. I literally get paid by thinking. What a fucking job. I love it, bro. All right, man. Now I'm gonna cook me some protein, some eggs, some meat, pause. And then I'm going to, finish up this video, bring you some more value, and then I'm gonna edit this video. And then after that, I'm gonna record like 3 videos and make sure to check that my students are making money. Ask them some questions, blah, blah, blah. And that's how it goes, bro. But now I'm gonna do the food, eat it, and I'll update you in a minute. Okay, man, so I pretty much finished eating all that good food, all that good shit. And now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pretty much wrap this video up. Saturday night, I'm gonna put a fuck ton of work right now. I'm gonna record like 5 YouTube videos because, and I'm gonna check like one of my students. Like I have a private chat with them as well, so I'm gonna check with them. But like I told you, there's nothing much to do as a trader, as a profitable day trader on weekends. So I'm just improve my speaking skills as well, with these videos. Because think about it, my main language isn't English. I just gotta improve my speaking skills until I speak fluently. And I'm ready to go through it all, bro. And you should also go ahead and go towards your goals, improving every single aspect of your life, But yeah, regardless, I'm gonna now record those 5 YouTube videos because why the fuck not? And like I told you, it is Saturday night. Everybody's out there partying. In fact, I could have went to one party or some of my friends went into, but I was like, nah, not today. I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna record those videos. Therefore, that means every bit of work I do tonight, I will get 2x experience because everybody's out there slacking. Now we're grinding. All right, bro. I enjoy grinding. Let's be honest. I enjoy grinding. I enjoy every bit of work that I do. and I enjoy thinking. Like I told you, I'm a thinker. I make money in these markets, but right now the markets are closed, so there's nothing else to do than just grind and develop. All right, but yeah, man, that's what you gotta do. This was, say, a little bit of motivation, innovation. And if you want the education part, it should be the first link in the description. Become profitable fast. But yeah, regardless, bro, as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.